Math 98 practice test 1. This is question number 17. And I need to solve this thing. So if I think back to the techniques we've been using in class, first thing I'm going to do is simplify it. So I'll distribute that 4 into there. That gives me a 4x squared minus 4 times 3, plus 4 times 3 is 12 equals 19x. Then I'm going to try and get it equal to 0 so I can factor it and use that 0 product property. So I'll subtract 19x from both sides. I can't combine any like terms on the right. I'm sorry, on the left. That's a 0 on the right. So I'm going to get 4x squared minus 19x plus 12 is 0. And now what I'm going to try to do is factor this. And if I go to factor this, first thing I'm going to look for is something to factor out. Nope, doesn't look like it. I notice this middle term's negative, this is positive, so both of these factors should be negative. They'll multiply to a positive, add to a negative. So let me think about factors of 12. Negative 1, negative 12, negative 2, negative 6, negative 3, negative 4. And then with the 4 I could do 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. And now I'm going to try and combine those factors to get a negative 19. If I do that, 16, yeah, there it is. 4 times negative 4 is a negative 16. Negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. Those two things add to negative 19. So I wanted to use the 1 and the 4 from the front. So 1x and 4x still going to be equal to 0. I want the 4 multiplied by the negative 4. So I'm going to put the negative 4 there. I want the 1 multiplied by the negative 3. So I can put the minus 3 there. And so notice what I have is these two things multiplied together give me 0. So from that I can say this has to equal 0 using that 0 product property now. Or this one, this factor has to equal 0. 4x minus 3 is 0. And add 4 to both sides over here. I get x can be 4. Add 3 to both sides. Divide by 4. X could be 3/4. So my answers are x could be 4 or x can be 3/4.